Hey G Squad, welcome back to my episode of Is It Worth It? So for today's episode is this cool Nexmee right here. And basically what this is a video conference light. So you can definitely put this on top of your laptop, your computers, your monitor. As long as the product can fit, it would definitely give you guys a very good lighting for like streaming, for video conferences, or just meetings in general. So you can see this is basically what the packaging looks like. Let me actually open it up and show you guys what's included inside first. Alright, so when we first take it out, you can see that there is a welcome guide right here. So it's basically like a user manual to teach you guys how to use the product. And then right underneath the user manual, you can see that this is basically what the product looks like. Let's take it out. Alright, so when we take it out, you guys can see that this is basically what the product looks like. So here is the light right here, and then right here is the stand. So you basically want to attach this onto here, then you guys actually use this as a clip to attach it onto your device. And they do provide the cable right here, which is USB to USB-C, and it is nylon braid as well, so it is a high quality cable. So before I show you guys how to set this up, I want to show you guys what's on here first. So obviously this is the light, but they have some buttons right here. So you can see this is a USB-C slot, so you can plug in the cable to activate it and charge it right here. Here's the plus and minus to increase or lower, the brightness. If you take a look right here, there's a power button to activate the product. And then right here is another button. Not sure what that is, but we'll find out later. When we take a look at the other side right here, they also have a plus and minus as well. So I'm assuming you guys have that on both sides, which is definitely pretty cool as well. And this is basically what the back part looks like. So the way how you guys install the product is by using the magnet in the back of this part right here. So you want to go like this. So you can see it just sticks onto the back right here using the magnet right here. So all you're gonna do is open up this part right here, which is a little clip, and then you want to attach it onto your laptop or your monitor. As long as it can fit inside right here, then you guys can definitely use it. They do have the built-in padding on both sides, on this side and this side as well. So that way it won't damage your screen or your product. So the first thing that I actually mentioned on the product is the fact that the way how they design the light right here, it shouldn't give you guys any eye strains or whatever that will shine directly in your eyes and you guys get really tired and you feel pain on your eyes when you guys turn on the product. In terms of the battery life on the product, they mentioned if you guys use at the lower brightness level, you guys can get up to 900 minutes. But if you guys use at the maximum brightness level, you guys can get up to 150 minutes of usage. And it'll take you guys 2 hours to fully charge the product from 0 to 100, which is definitely pretty awesome, especially since it does use a USB-C cable. But this is basically what the product looks like. Let me actually plug in the cable to show you guys how to charge it first. Alright, so I'm plugging my cable onto my power bank right here. And the other side, I want to plug it onto the device. So I want to plug in this side right here. Alright, so you can see that once we plug in the cable, it does light up right here. So that is how you guys know when the product is charging or when it's fully charged. So it doesn't look like it's fully charged yet because there's 3 out of 4 light that pops on right there. But we can definitely still use it in the meantime. So that is basically everything that's on the product in terms of what is on here and how to actually charge the product. Now let me actually activate the product to show you guys how it works and what actually works first. So we want to press the power button right here on top. Alright, so once we turn on the product, you can see that this is basically what it looks like. So you can definitely see the light is kind of yellow right now. And the way how you change the color temperature on here is using this side right here. So one side is to increase the brightness and the other side for changing the color temperature. So let me actually change the color temperature on here. Alright, so you can see that now it's white. So basically if you guys bring it all the way up, it will change it to white. If you guys bring it all the way down, it changes to yellow right here. So that is how you guys change the color temperature on here. So definitely really cool how they give you guys that option. If you guys want to increase or lower the brightness, you want to press it on the other side right here. Alright, so that's the lowest. And that is the highest right there. So you can see how bright the light can be. And if you guys want to change it to white, here's how bright it is on white. So I shine it myself and see how bright the light can be. And if I shine it this way, you guys can see how bright the light is as well. So the light is definitely super bright, so you don't have to worry about recording stuff in the dark, or if your room or your setting is too dark, you don't have to worry about it anymore once you guys get this product. And basically the button on top right here, which is the X button, if you press that button, let me show you guys what happens. So it's basically kind of like a reset button when you guys press on the X button on top. So that basically just reset the button back to original setting, which is the yellow light right here, or the warm yellow light. And that is basically how you use the product. So like I mentioned, you guys can definitely use it for like your monitors, your laptops, and I believe you guys can also use it on your phone as well. Let me actually test it out. So I got my phone with my case on. Let's see if it fits. Alright. So it's not like super stable when I actually put it onto my phone with my case on. But I can definitely see that actually would be secured if I do put it onto my phone without the case on. Let me show you what I mean. Alright, so I took off the case. Let's try again. So you can see how much more secure the actual product is once we remove the case. So if you guys don't put the case on when you guys use the product, it definitely works really well. So this is basically what it looks like when you guys actually put it on. Like I mentioned, you can definitely use it for your phone, your laptop, your monitors, or whatever. It's definitely universal for a lot of different devices or products. But this is basically what the product looks like. Now that you're unboxing and testing the product, not to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. So for this product in particular, I would definitely have to say that it is pretty worth it if you guys want one or need one of these, especially if you guys do a lot of like video conferences, or if you guys are planning to get some kind of lighting for like your live streaming or just recording like podcasts or something. These are actually really worth it if you guys don't want like a huge ring light as well. But then obviously for those guys who don't want or don't need one or have one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else actually you do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it'll definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys, so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.